The Lexus LX 570 WALD 2026 is a stunning evolution of luxury, power, and bold design. This full-size SUV continues to dominate the road with its commanding presence and exceptional craftsmanship. The 2026 edition has been refined to deliver both style and substance, combining superior off-road capability with first-class comfort and advanced technology. It represents the perfect blend of sophistication and rugged performance, a vehicle designed for those who demand excellence in every detail. From its elegant exterior to its finely crafted interior, every aspect of the Lexus LX 570 WALD 2026 reflects meticulous attention to detail and the brand's dedication to perfection. The exterior design of the Lexus LX 570 WALD 2026 immediately captures attention with its imposing stance and bold styling enhancements. The WALD body kit amplifies the SUV's aggressive personality, featuring redesigned front and rear bumpers, a distinctive grille, and aerodynamic side skirts that give it a sportier and more dynamic appearance. The LED headlights are sharper and more expressive, providing excellent illumination and a high-tech look. The large alloy wheels, custom WALD touches, and sleek chrome finishes contribute to an aura of exclusivity and prestige. Every curve and line of the LX 570 WALD has been sculpted to exude confidence and authority, whether parked in an urban setting or conquering rough terrains. Under the hood, the 2026 Lexus LX 570 WALD packs a powerful 5.7-liter V8 engine that delivers robust performance and a smooth driving experience. With an output of around 383 horsepower and 403 pound-feet of torque, this engine provides ample power for both city cruising and off-road adventures. The 8-speed automatic transmission ensures seamless gear shifts, offering an optimal balance between power and efficiency. The four-wheel drive system is engineered for stability and traction on all surfaces, making it ideal for challenging conditions. Despite its size and weight, the LX 570 WALD handles with surprising agility, thanks to advanced suspension tuning and drive mode select features that allow drivers to adapt to various road conditions with ease. When it comes to interior luxury, the Lexus LX 570 WALD 2026 redefines what it means to travel in comfort. The cabin is a masterpiece of craftsmanship, adorned with high-quality materials such as premium leather, wood trim, and brushed aluminum accents. The seats are designed to provide maximum support and relaxation, with both heating and ventilation options for ultimate comfort in any climate. The spacious interior accommodates up to 8 passengers, offering generous legroom and headroom in all rows. The driver's cockpit is designed for convenience and control, featuring an intuitive layout with easy access to all functions. Ambient lighting creates a soothing atmosphere, while sound insulation ensures a quiet and peaceful ride even at high speeds. Technology in the Lexus LX 570 WALD 2026 is both cutting-edge and user-friendly. The large infotainment display sits prominently on the dashboard, offering navigation, smartphone integration, and a suite of connectivity features. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and wireless charging come standard, allowing passengers to stay connected on the go. The Mark Levinson premium audio system transforms the cabin into a concert hall, delivering crystal-clear sound through multiple strategically placed speakers. Rear seat entertainment screens keep passengers entertained on long journeys, while multiple USB ports and charging outlets provide convenience for all occupants. The vehicle's digital instrument cluster and head-up display give the driver essential information at a glance, enhancing focus and safety. Safety has always been a top priority for Lexus, and the LX 570 WALD 2026 continues this tradition with an array of advanced safety technologies. It includes Lexus Safety System Plus, which features adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, and pre-collision assist with pedestrian detection. The SUV also offers a 360-degree camera system that provides a comprehensive view of the surroundings, making parking and maneuvering easier. The robust frame structure and multiple airbags ensure superior protection in case of impact. Together, these systems create a sense of security and confidence for both the driver and passengers. Performance is not just about power in the Lexus LX 570 WALD 2026, it's about how that power is delivered. The adaptive variable suspension system adjusts automatically to road conditions, providing a smooth and composed ride. Whether driving on highways, city roads, or rough trails, the LX 570 WALD remains stable and comfortable. Off-road enthusiasts will appreciate the multi-terrain select system and crawl control, which optimize traction and throttle response for different types of surfaces. This SUV is built to handle deep sand, rocky trails, or muddy paths with ease, proving that luxury can coexist with adventure. The drive mode selector offers options like Comfort, Eco, Sport, and Sport Plus to tailor the driving dynamics to the driver's mood and environment. Fuel efficiency has been slightly improved in the 2026 model thanks to fine-tuned engine management and aerodynamics, although the focus remains on performance and capability. Despite being a large SUV, the LX 570 WALD manages to deliver a surprisingly refined and balanced driving experience. The steering is responsive, and the braking system provides excellent stopping power with confidence-inspiring control. One of the most appealing aspects of the Lexus LX 570 WALD 2026 is its versatility. It serves as a luxury family vehicle during the week and a capable off-road companion on weekends. The rear seats can be folded to create a massive cargo area, perfect for carrying luggage, sports equipment, or outdoor gear. The power tailgate makes loading and unloading effortless. The attention to practicality extends to small details, like numerous storage compartments, cup holders, and climate control vents for every row. In terms of personalization, the WALD Edition allows owners to express their individuality through a range of custom styling options. From distinctive exterior trims to exclusive alloy designs and bespoke interior finishes, this edition is about standing out. The WALD treatment gives the LX 570 a more assertive and unique personality, appealing to those who value exclusivity and a bolder aesthetic. Driving the Lexus LX 570 WALD 2026 feels like commanding a blend of refinement and raw power. The elevated driving position provides a panoramic view of the road, enhancing confidence and control. The cabin remains tranquil even when the engine roars to life, delivering an experience that is both thrilling and serene. Every journey in this SUV feels special, a reminder that true luxury is not just about appearance but also about comfort, capability, and the feeling of complete control. From a design perspective, Lexus has done an exceptional job in merging elegance with strength. The body lines are muscular yet graceful, and the WALD kit amplifies its aggressive character without compromising sophistication. The paint options are rich and deep, emphasizing the vehicle's contours and craftsmanship. The attention to aerodynamics not only enhances efficiency but also reduces wind noise for a quieter ride. Overall, the Lexus LX 570 WALD 2026 is a perfect example of how luxury and performance can coexist harmoniously. It is an SUV built for those who refuse to compromise between elegance and capability. It offers a commanding presence on the road, a supremely comfortable and high-tech cabin, and performance that inspires confidence in any driving condition. Every element has been engineered with precision to deliver an exceptional driving experience. Whether navigating city streets or exploring off-road trails, this SUV performs flawlessly while keeping its passengers cocooned in luxury. The 2026 Lexus LX 570 WALD stands as a testament to Lexus's commitment to excellence and innovation. It is more than just a vehicle, it is a statement of status, power, and refinement. For those seeking an SUV that combines craftsmanship, technology, and performance in perfect balance, the LX 570 WALD 2026 is an unbeatable choice. It continues to define what a true luxury SUV should be: bold, comfortable, powerful, and unmistakably Lexus.